warning for
I told you to
central
stop
Shelby
going off
County,
when I was
northeastern
editing. What
Johnson
happened
County,
to
southeastern Marion County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenwood, or 13 miles west of Shelbyville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Greenwood, Franklin, New Whiteland, Fairland, Marietta, and Bogstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 90 and 103. Interstate 74 between mile markers 100 and 116. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson, Marion, and Shelby. And now a look at your